Have you ever wondered if your brain sleeps when you do? Surprisingly, it doesn't. While you're asleep, your brain stays incredibly active. It processes everything you learn during the day, stores important memories, removes unnecessary information, and even prepares you for the next day. It sounds impossible, but sharks are actually older than trees. The first sharks appeared in Earth's oceans more than 450 million years ago. Trees didn't evolve until around 350 million years ago. That means sharks were already swimming through the oceans nearly 100 million years before the first forests covered our planet. Believe it or not, honey is one of the few foods that can last for thousands of years. Archaeologists have discovered jars of honey inside ancient Egyptian tombs that were still safe to eat. Honey naturally contains very little water and has antibacterial property. Imagine celebrating your birthday before one single day has ended. That's exactly what happens on Venus. The planet rotates so slowly that one full day lasts about 243 Earth days. But Venus completes one trip around the Sun in only 225 Earth days. In other words, a day on Venus is actually longer than its entire year. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself without you even noticing. Every single day, billions of old cells die and are replaced with new ones. Your skin, blood, and even parts of your bones are continuously renewing themselves. In a way, the person you are today is physically different from the person you were several years ago. Did you know the Eiffel Tower isn't always the same height? During hot summer days, the metal expands because of the heat. As a result, the tower can become about 15 centimeters or 6 inches taller than usual. When temperatures drop in winter, the metal contracts and the tower returns to its normal height. It's a perfect example of how temperature affects physical structures. Most people think there are more stars than trees, but that's not true. Scientists estimate there are about 3 trillion trees on Earth. Meanwhile, our Milky Way galaxy contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. That means our planet has far more trees than there are stars in our own galaxy. Nature is even more incredible than most people imagine. Your stomach contains acid strong enough to dissolve metal under certain conditions. So why doesn't it digest itself? The answer is simple but amazing. Your stomach constantly produces a thick layer of protective mucus, and it replaces its inner lining every few days. Without this natural protection, the acid would seriously damage your stomach. Octopuses are some of the most unusual animals on Earth. They have 3 hearts instead of 1. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third sends blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when an octopus swims, the main heart works much harder, which is one reason these intelligent animals often prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming long distances. Your nose is far more powerful than you might think. Scientists have found that humans can recognize thousands of different smells, and some studies suggest the number could even reach over 1 trillion scent combinations. Smell is also strongly connected to memory, which is why a familiar scent can instantly remind you of a person, a place, or a moment from years ago.